So what's happening YouTube, your boy Tech Tricks back in our video, and today we're looking at the Eufy Security, the See Everything Smart Lock. This will have a camera, fingerprint sensor up top, keypad lock as well that you can use multiple passcodes. It also has a doorbell which has the chime right here wirelessly, and has the door lock right here for the deadbolt that has no monthly fee as well, and you'll be able to see everything that will come to your front door. It'll notify you if there's motion, if a person is right there. It also has 2K resolution, as you can see here, and 0.3 seconds recognition, pretty quick recognition as well. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So nice packaging there by Eufy. Inside, what we get is the lock right here. Just take off the plastic. Has the keypad lock right here. There we go. So as you could see, it has the doorbell right here, which lights up. Keypad right there. A camera up here for motion sensor, and TouchID up here for fingerprint sensor. On the bottom of that, it has a speaker as well. Reset button and a USB-C slot, and of course a wire to connect the two sides. It has this part right here, which where the deadbolt is. This top right here has the battery compartment. You just place the battery there, and has this sync button right in there. This also has the lock and unlock right there, kind of like a deadbolt style, manually. When this is the one that goes into your house. Let's see what else we get in the box. Here's the battery that I was telling you earlier. That's the one that will go in. Has the plug in there. Instruction manual. Comes with the chime, and also a hub as well for Eufy, as you can see there. Has a speaker as well. Keys. Has the replacement if you want to replace your deadbolt plate right there. And then this one is the deadbolt itself. Comes with screws as well and Allen keys, and it comes with a 16 gigs SD card right there, and that's it. This is what the old lock looks like. Pretty much we're just gonna take off the two screws so that we can dismantle this and get rid of it. Once you've taken it off, it should look like this. This is the deadbolt that came with the box there, the inside of it. We're gonna install this first. If you find that it's too short, that middle black piece needs to be right in the middle of the hole. If you find it too short, you could just twist the deadbolt itself, and then you'll be able to make it longer so that it'll fit in there. Now this is the camera, which is going to be outside of your door there. During the installation, I had to pull the deadbolt, the inside, in and out, and maneuver the wires so that it's inside, and also the metal piece is right in the middle so that it'll be able to flip the deadbolt. As you could see, it should look like this. You can level it out something like that, but with the bolts, it'll also hold it properly, so you don't have to worry about that too much. Now the back is pretty simple device. It's just a flipper right there so that you can unlock and lock your door. Here, this is the frame of the inside. We're gonna bolt this down and screw it up there so that it won't let go. The wire should look like this after it's connected as well. Once everything is all good to go, you just have to plan it like this. Make sure you test out the deadbolt if it's opening and closing first, and then we're gonna put on the screw so that it won't let go. This is how you install the battery. To charge the battery, you need to plug it in via USB-C cable as well. That'd be good to go. And then lastly, just install the lid by pushing it down like so. Once that's all done, all you need to do is plug it in to the hub like so, right to the wall. And then everything will just be synced up and ready to be installed on the app. If you were wondering where the keyhole will be, it's right behind the doorbell slot, as you can see there. If your doorbell is dead and doesn't have any batteries, you can also use your keys to open your lock. Now to install it on your app, you need to install Eufy Security app right here. You need to register, and then we're gonna add the device later after that. Once you're done, you're gonna hit that plus button on top there, and we're gonna add the hub first So make sure you do that first, or else we won't be able to add the device to the hub. Here we're going to look for the QR code. It's probably under the device. And then we're just going to connect it to our internet and we're ready to go. After we've connected the hub, we're going to connect the doorbell now. So we're just going to select the video smart lock right there. And then we're going to connect it to the speaker hub that we just installed. We're going to hit the sync button on the back of the doorbell. And then they're going to generate a QR code here, which will show our camera on the video smart lock. Once you've successfully done that, we're just going to go through the settings, and then we're going to name the video smart lock. We're going to put it on the right door. Maybe it's on the front door. In our case, on the front door right now. And then we're going to calibrate the lock, having it close, and then hit the calibrate lock, and then having it open as well, so that when the app knows which way is closed and open. The video smart lock also has a passcode lock, so you can put a passcode right here. We're just going to generate 4 to 8 digits passcode so that people can go in using the keypad. The other way to get in and is also the fingerprint sensor. We're going to put our finger on the fingerprint sensor so that when we come into the door, we can use the fingerprint sensor to get into our house. Now that the setup is complete, let's show you some footage. Here's what it looked like during the daytime. It's also a 2K video, 2K resolution, so it's really good. At night, it's really nice as well. It's very clear and be able to detect human faces as well, which is really cool. Here's what you see in the app. There's a few features like unlocking your door and locking it through your app right here. You can record and take screenshots of the footage here, and also you can use this to speak to the people on the outside of the door. You can also have quick replies and also have different sounds. Here you can create zones on where it would detect more. You can also change the sensitivity to low to high. You can also change the battery and how much battery you would use. You can use it for optimal surveillance, balanced surveillance, and whatever. Or you can customize the recording to whatever you want. You can also have auto lock settings where you can schedule it, or when you leave, it'll also auto lock. So I just have mine about 5 minutes. You have it on a timer. Once I leave, it'll auto lock so that I don't forget about it. You can also customize how much the recording that you want, even the audio recording. Everything will be recorded on a micro SD card, whatever micro SD card capacity that you have. You don't need any monthlies for this one. They also have a notification where it will detect a human detection, leaving detection, or all the motions. I just put it on all motion so that I could see everything. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new smart lock and also doorbell combo for your home. This is by Eufy. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these. I also have one of their products as well on this channel, which is the floodlights with the motorized camera. So go ahead and check that out. I'll link it down below as well, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.